Every premium winter jacket begins with carefully raised geese on controlled farms.
Only fully mature geese provide down suitable for high-end insulation.
Controlled environments reduce stress and protect feather quality in geese. This is where goose down enters the industrial supply chain. Precise weights ensure consistency in goose down processing.
Every batch of goose down is fully traceable from farm to factory.
Careful handling prevents compression of goose down fibers.
Only approved goose down is cleared for transport. Goose down now begins its journey to industrial transformation. Raw goose down leaves the farm under controlled transport conditions. Stability during transit protects the integrity of goose down. Every goose down shipment is logged and verified en route. The journey moves closer to industrial processing.
Controlled access protects the goose down supply chain.
Precise docking prepares goose down for unloading.
Documentation confirms goose down readiness for entry. Goose down officially enters the factory environment.
Every goose down batch enters through a controlled intake zone.
Flow control prevents congestion in goose down handling. The factory layout channels goose down step by step.
Airlocks protect goose down from external contamination. Goose down now enters the heart of the facility. Scale and precision define modern goose down factories. Goose down is ready for its first internal process.
The first contact releases raw goose down into the system. Gravity guides goose down into controlled flow.
Conveyors replace manual handling of goose down. Airflow begins the cleaning of goose down. Only pure goose down moves forward. Washing removes oils and impurities from goose down. Controlled washing protects goose down fibers. Multiple rinses. Multiple rinses ensure clean goose down. Freshly washed goose down moves to drying. Even distribution prepares goose down for drying. Drying restores the natural loft of goose down. Precise heat protects delicate goose down fibers. Moisture leaves, insulation returns. Dry goose down is ready for refinement. Mechanical fluffing enhances goose down performance.
Uniform density is essential for premium goose down.
Refinement continues inside sealed systems. Goose down rests before final transformation. Measured flow maintains consistency. Goose down enters the core transformation stage.
This is where goose down is fully engineered for performance.
Uniform clusters define premium goose down. Calibration refines goose down consistency. Calibration refines goose down consistency.
Flow control ensures process stability.
Every gram of goose down is monitored. Final impurities are removed. Every gram of goose down is monitored. Balance is critical at scale. Goose down is now production ready. Automation now takes over the movement of goose down.
Robotics ensure repeatable precision with goose down.
Exact weights define premium insulation standards. Sealed systems protect goose down purity. Static control keeps goose down evenly flowing. Synchronization maintains consistency at scale.
Feeding accuracy defines final quality. Human oversight remains essential.
Micro adjustments protect macro output. Goose down leaves automation perfectly controlled. Precision filling shapes the performance of goose down. Goose down is placed exactly where warmth is needed. Even distribution defines insulation quality. Sealing locks goose down in place.
Alignment ensures uniform insulation.
Loft confirms goose down performance.
Weight accuracy maintains premium standards.
Shape is set without sacrificing loft.
Checking the consistency here, making sure the fill is even.
Human eyes confirm machine precision.
Goose down panels move toward final verification. Every goose down panel is tested before it reaches production approval.
Loft testing ensures the goose down will trap maximum warmth. Exact weight guarantees uniform insulation.
Moisture control protects goose down integrity.
Purity is confirmed before final approval.
Compression tests simulate real-world wear.
Thermal checks verify goose down warmth.
Traceability ensures authentic goose down. Every goose down panel meets strict quality standards.
Goose down now moves into its final preparation stage.
Packaging begins the final stage for premium goose down jackets. Each goose down jacket is folded with precision. Sealing secures goose down for transport.
Stacking prepares goose down jackets for safe storage.
Protective wrapping maintains goose down integrity.
Goose down jackets wait in climate-controlled storage before shipment. Careful loading protects goose down during transport.
From farm to factory, every step transforms goose down into luxury jackets.
And this is how modern factories produce goose down winter jackets from start to finish.